So what are some parts of a volcano? Some parts of a volcano include magma, vents, lava, craters, and gases. Let's talk about magma first. We're going to start deep down in the volcano and work our way out from there. Magma is molten rock, well, molten everything, deep down in the earth. So on the earth, we have the crust, that layer on top. Below that, we have that molten layer of magma that the plates float around on. So we've got our magma down deep in the earth, but once it hits the top, it becomes lava, right? Because then it's flowing on the surface. But there's vents, there's holes that maybe show up in the volcano. These holes are places where the gases can escape from. There. And then that's where the lava also could come out of. So let's talk about lava for a second. Lava is all of those different things down deep inside the volcano that come up as magma, and then it flows out either out of the volcano at the top as an eruption, or it comes out the sides and maybe erupts down the edges and flows. Magma down deep, vents are where lava and gases might come out. And then we have the crater. That's going to be the portion in the top of the volcano, right in here. Ooh, can't see anything. There we go. Okay, now I can see ya. That's going to be this portion right on top here that opens up, where the biggest explosion might be coming from. And then, of course, the gases. I don't think I need to tell you what gases are. You probably have an idea already, and we're talking explosive gases. In Psalm 104:32, it says, "He looks at the earth and it trembles, and he touches the mountains and they smoke." Imagine how big our God is to be able to do that. In review, some parts of a volcano include magma. Magma is down deep in the earth. When it comes to the surface, it becomes lava. That lava might flow out through vents. So parts of a volcano could include magma, vents, and lava. It also might include a crater or gases.
You've been watching the short versions of Science Foundations. We have full lab videos that can be streamed on our Patreon page or downloaded from our online store. Use the links below to access them. Buy the entire set of 75 episodes of Science Foundations, or just one episode or season at a time as you need them. In addition to the lab videos, we provide you with accompanying educational resources, such as PDF fillable student study guides and teacher guides filled with glossary terms, study guide key answers, suggested home experiments, and field trip ideas. We're constantly adding new resources, such as coloring pages and word finds. We're here to help your students get the most from these great episodes. Get all of them on our Patreon page or our online store.